Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick coleslaw. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a head of cabbage, some carrots, and a few pantry staples for the dressing. This recipe is designed for speed and ease, ensuring you can whip up a fresh, flavorful side dish without much fuss. It's perfect for last-minute gatherings or a simple weeknight dinner, bringing a crisp, tangy addition to your plate. For the base, you'll need about 1/2 of a medium green cabbage. Start by removing any outer leaves, then finely shred it. A mandolin slicer works wonders for consistent, thin strips, but a sharp knife will also do the trick. Next, grate 1 large carrot. This adds a lovely pop of color and a touch of natural sweetness, complementing the cabbage perfectly. Place these shredded vegetables into a large mixing bowl. Now, let's make the simple yet delicious dressing. In a separate small bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until the dressing is smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. You might prefer a little more tang or sweetness. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour the creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots. Using tongs or a large spoon, toss everything gently until all the vegetables are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill the coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve it alongside your favorite barbecue, sandwiches, or grilled meats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.